You can purchase all the latest gear. You can dazzle each other with the latest colors and fashion. If you don't know how to use your Avalanche gear, you might as well leave it behind. At times during the winter, the snowpack in the San Juans is famous for being highly unstable on steep slopes. So get the gear. Get the Avalanche training. Get the Avalanche report. Get a partner. Get out of harm's way. And get back home. You may be the nearest rescuer. Educate yourself, practice, and save a life.